Good afternoon, electronics class. I hope everybody remains well. Today I'm going to show you a quick example of one of the extreme cases of the non-inverting amplifier. I'm going to make a follower, and basically the way to do this is to make R2 be 0 and R1 be infinite, and this leads to an amplifier with a gain equal to 1. As you'll see, the input is exactly the same size as the output. I've already got the two components that I need. I need a voltage source and I need the op amp. So let's set about connecting it up. I will also need a ground connection because we do need to connect the voltage source to ground. So let's move the voltage source up, and I'm going to go get a ground connection. And we can begin connecting up. So I'll first connect the voltage source. So we have our voltage source connected to our op amp. Now I'll connect the follower circuit. Okay, so we've got the output connected back to the inverting input. All we have now left to do is to put a waveform in there in our voltage source. So let's bring that option up. So again, I'll use a sinusoidal source. So let's find it. Here's the sine. We'll stick with the defaults. I don't want a DC component, so I'll take that out. And then the step that's often forgotten, I'll confirm these choices. And we have our circuit set up, so all I have left to do is to run this example, and we'll see what happens. So here's Spice Run. Again, we're going to look at what happens when we send a transient into the circuit. So we'll select transient, we'll click on run, and we'll wait. I'm going to click close because I'm sure the simulation has run for long enough, but there's lots of uses on making the response slow. And we'll just wait for a graph to appear. And here it is. You may think, well, I can only see one graph. The input is in blue, and I'll turn the output off. So here's the input. I'll now turn the input off and turn the output back on. They completely overlay each other, gain's equal to 1, and that's all there is to it. So I'll stop it at this point, but you get the idea.